Today's cherry bomb is a high probability trade in Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a naked, short put, and it has a probability of profit that's close to 80% and an even higher P50 at over 90%. Bed Bath & Beyond has 4 stars of liquidity according to Tastyworks, and it has an IV rank of 23. And if this sounds like a strategy that you're looking to put on in your portfolio, then stay tuned as we build out, analyze, and place this trade. Hi everybody, it's Neil here again with Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. If this is your first time or if you still haven't done it yet, head down to that description below and sign up for Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb email blast. The link is in the description. You click that, you sign up with Tasty Trade. These emails do not come from me, just really great content. You should definitely subscribe to that. And also, if you're new here, what we do here is we use ThinkOrSwim's simulated trading platform to place these cherry bomb trades to see how our skills are, learn, practice, and hone our abilities in trading options. So if that sounds good to you, then let's build this trade out. Here in ThinkOrSwim, we're going to go over to the Analyze tab, choose Add Simulated Trade. Make sure you're in your options chain. You've got BBBY for Bed Bath & Beyond, and we're going to be in the September weekly, September 4th, which as of today, July 30th, was 36 days to expiration. I have all strikes opened up here, and we're going to be on the put side, and you want to go to the $9 strike. And you can see here that this is, the bid ask is wider here, and we don't have a ton of open interest, and of course, because right now the market hasn't opened yet because it's 5:25 in the morning here on the eastern coast of the United States, right? We've got a 12-cent wide bid-ask spread here. So we're going to put this, if you just left-click on the bid for the $9 put, that'll sell a put down here, and I upped the price to the mid price of 35 cents. So no, this isn't a massive payoff, and yes, there is undefined risk, I suppose, in the sense that this Bed Bath & Beyond could go out of business, and you could lose all of $900, right, minus your $35 credit. But of course, these kind of things might be new to you, and so we're going to go into every trade knowing our probabilities and knowing our max profits and max losses. So now that we've built out that trade, let's move on to taking a look at the risk profile. Over here in the same Analyze tab, you'll see the risk profile. And we want to set to make sure that this is set to, the calendar here is set to the expiration. And what you can see that is right here, 9/5. And I usually go with the day before that one. So here's the 5th, I'll go for the Friday. And then we've got that dialed in. I also like to make it so that I can see all of this light gray area, which is the expected potential move for this. So as said in that cherry bomb email, which is another reason why you want to get it, it talks about the IV, current IV right now of Bed Bath & Beyond being pretty high still at near 80. So that's why this move is, it's pretty sizable. But let's check out our probabilities because these price slices here aren't in the break evens. So let's set our one price slice to the break even that we need at September 5th, really the 4th, right? So what we're looking at here is a 75% probability. According to ThinkOrSwim, you get 78 if you look at the email. It's close, right? 75% probability of what I'll call breaking even or better, right? Only a 24.8% chance of us losing on this trade. All right, doesn't mean it's impossible, right? There's that much of a chance. All right, so with that said, I often also like to set this slice to chart, and you can see here that that is our break even. So one of the benefits, as I've covered in another video, so check that little card that just slid across your screen. That's one of those videos where I talk about our options riskier than stocks. So if you are 100% new to this stuff and you're wondering whether or not the options are too risky, check that video out. I promise you'll like what you see there as far as the number of ways that you can be right, particularly when you sell options. So anyway, with that, we then understand, hey, are there alternatives? Yes, you could potentially do spreads on this one. And another thing to point out is, even though the IV is at 80%, it is worth noting that the IV rank is only 23. Yeah, so that's not a particularly high IV rank, indicating that this might even be a candidate for a long call spread if you're still bullish on it, right? We've done a couple of long call spreads recently. So if you want to check out yesterday's video, maybe the video before that, I think was also a long call spread. Those are options that you have to pick from as well. This is alternatives, I should say. All right, I'm going to move on now to right-click this trade, confirm and send, and you can see there it is. Our max profit is $35. We have a 90% or better chance of getting half of that, which is typically when we want to close our trades, take that risk off, and then redeploy our capital, right? That means our max loss is $865 should Bed Bath & Beyond go out of business in the next 36 days. Feel that that is unlikely. I think the probabilities are in our favor, so I'm going to hit send. That's going to head that on over to our working orders here. And if you tuned in yesterday to the interesting Google trade, I put that on and was out of it in 2 hours with, I think I calculated and I'll mention this again next week when I do my portfolio recap. I think it was over $1.50 per minute that we made on that one. All right, so if you've made it this far, I thank you so much. Your views are 100% appreciated. And if you think that I've earned it, would you hit that like button? If you want to join us daily, as we do, I do videos 5 days a week, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. You'll be notified when our videos come out. They come out when the market opens. All right, everybody. I look forward to seeing you in upcoming trades, but I believe we have another cherry bomb tomorrow.